Welcome back, money makers, for the fourth day of this week. We have another exciting opportunity for digital options where you can get paid to write tutorials. I'm calling all technical writers. We are offering $50 per tutorial written. These tutorials will be featured in the community section of our website and will credit the author who produced the content. There is no limit to the amount of articles you can write. Articles can be written on a variety of topics, including Ubuntu, CENTOS, DEBIAN, and all that good stuff. The goal of DigitalOcean is to build up a large, comprehensive, and beautifully written collection of tutorials. In order to do this efficiently, we are going to be creating a list of DigitalOcean community writers, where tutorials, once submitted to our moderators, will be paid for very quickly and published within the week of being submitted. We are hoping that these articles will not only be accurate and informative, but also be incredibly well written. If you are interested in becoming an official DigitalOcean community writer, please submit a sample article and the topics that you would enjoy writing about at etil@digitalocean.com for review. And you can also feel free to CC Barry at digitalocean.com and include the subject line. So basically, you're going to get paid for writing articles, and then if they are approved by the moderators, you will get $50 for it. But that is all I have for you guys today. Have a great and wonderful day. Bye.